Hi, this is me, Samir Ahmad, and I'm meeting Avatar book. Guwahati Avatar book. Avatar book isosida phangba laisida karam
약간 숨쉬고 그럼 이야기가 뭐였어? 뭐라고 하고 솔직히 야림 비송 많이 삼는데 뭐 색상 관계, 야들기야 동화스 관계, 인간 관계, 노만 관계, 노리스 관계,
And here come tomorrow I'll show you what we have is unique items. We have world's smallest binoculars.
World's smallest binocular.
That is that much size up to 1 kilometer.
Sandu Scientific store na tuan makal ki items sing mafam sidai famu namni mayam lapiu parents sing guardians sing oda sing sata sing khutimak mafam sida
Fiction books are there. All fiction books, 100 rupees only.
All fiction books at 100 only. Anyone come and enjoy it.
Actually, we are from Ahmadiyya Muslim community. It is an international community. We are taking a message and spreading all over the world. Nowadays, as whenever we go through the print media or electronic media, we can see that the face of Islam, how it has been represented by the people. And Muslim itself, they are doing some deeds that actually that does not represent the real Islam.